I'm talking to you today about how to make money from yam business in Nigeria. How do you make money from yam business right here in Nigeria? And that is what I will be addressing in this video today. Number one thing you need to do when you want to go into yam business is not to just go and start getting land and start farming on the land, or start clearing land, or start buying and selling. The first thing you should do is to research the market. Research the yam market. You have to do a research. The importance of research in any business entity cannot be overemphasized, because in the research they are going to know where you are going to sell to and where you are going to buy from. So number one thing you need to do is to research the market. Number two thing that you should do now after researching the market is to source for quality yams. It is important to source quality yams from reliable distributors. Make sure to thoroughly check each batch for freshness and damage before you purchase. Number three thing you need to do if you're going to make money from yam business is to find customers. This is part of your research. If you have done proper research, you will have known where the customers are. So number three thing you should do is to find customers. There are various ways to find customers for your yam business in Nigeria or any other place in the world. Consider marketing campaigns on social media, using local radio stations, setting up stores at busy markets, or even delivering directly to the doorsteps of the customers. Number four way to make money from yam business is to maximize supply and demand. To maximize profits, focus on supplying the right type of yams in the right quantity to meet customers' demand. Monitor the supply of raw materials, such as prices for yams, and adjust prices of your own accordingly. Number five is to expand your network. Utilize your network of friends and family to help reach potential customers and to increase the visibility of your business. Number six is to offer quality customer service. This one, the importance of it cannot be overemphasized. Customer is the king of any business, so make sure that you attend to customers promptly and in a very polite manner. Number seven is to monitor the performance of your business, of your yam business. You have to monitor the performance of the business. Let me tell you, many people have shops, have businesses. They don't monitor the growth of the business. And the reason is because you don't want to spend money. You don't want to spend money to call somebody that look at this business, analyze it for me. How much will I pay you? And then you pay the person a token, and the person does a good job for you and tells you where and what you need to improve to make your business to take it to the next level. And then you stay put in one place and repeating the old mistakes you've been repeating, and you are wondering why your business is not moving. Let me tell you something. I go to eat in some places and I see how dirty the place is, and I shake my head and I just look at it that if this individual can just make this place clean, stop doing this here, do this, the place will be open to the middle class and even the high class individuals in the environment. But what happens is that the kind of food they are doing is for people in the low class. And you know what? Such places, after eating there for the first time by mistake, I don't go there to eat at another time again. So monitor your performance. So if you want me to help you to look into your business and to help you to analyze it, get in touch with me through a phone call or through message me on WhatsApp. I will look at the business and I will tell you what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong. I'm going to take a token from you, but that token you are going to make times 100 of it from your business based on the advice I will give you. Then you need to invest in technology. Invest in technological solutions such as mobile applications or automated ordering systems to make it easier for customers to purchase from you. This will increase efficiency and enhance customer experience with your product. Then you need to also stay up to date. Stay up to date with market trends and the latest in the yam industry. Now develop new strategies. Stay up to date in the trend. What is the new trend? What is the new price? What is the old price? All these things you need to know what is going on. Then you should also consider researching potential competitors and their pricing strategies to assess the market. Then number 10 is you have to seek professional advice. Consult with professionals such as accountants, legal advisors to make your business is compliant with operating regulations within where you stay. You see, personally, I have friends who are accountants, I have friends who are lawyers, I have friends who are in different fields, and I consult them. Sometimes over lunch, I ask them some questions. Deliberately, I organize lunch. I have a banker friend, and I want to know some facilities I can access in the bank and thereabout. And I told him we need to meet over lunch in a nearby eatery around. And over there, I pay for the snacks and the drink, and then I ask him some salient questions. Over snacks, he's going to open up and tell me what he want to tell me on a normal day. Then you need to also diversify your offerings and your investment. Consider your investment related items such as palm oil, because you're talking about yam. Consider also doing palm oil business, plantain business, potato business to increase revenue and to attract more customers. Then invest in quality packaging. Invest in quality packaging to protect your products from damage, and this will also help create a professional image for your customers. Then number 13, build an online presence. Consider building a website or creating social media profiles like Facebook. On Facebook, you should have a Facebook group, you should have a Facebook page where your customers you talk about your product and talk about related the product itself and your specific product, what it can do, what it's doing, and then along the line other people can come and contribute, and then when you have product offerings, you put it there. Others also looking for such will come to that page. The same thing applies to social media pages like YouTube. So you can also create a YouTube page for your yam business. But if you know that you will not be frequently posting on it because it takes time, it takes energy, it takes a lot of effort and research to produce content, you can consider marketing your yam product on this YouTube channel. We can help you to reach out to other people. We can do a video about a documentary or a video about your company and about your business, and then people can get to know your phone number, your email address, everything, how much you sell, what you do. So people looking for information on that will just be directed to you, so you can get in touch and we can talk about that. So you have to build online presence on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, and on other social media networks like Telegram also, and even on Reddit. But Reddit is going to be reaching out to US and other audience in Canada mostly. So important point is build an online presence. Then you can also consider franchising. Consider franchising your yam business in Nigeria to grow and expand faster. This will help you build a larger network and increase your customer base. However, make sure to go through research and follow legal requirements when franchising. So when you are franchising, make sure you follow legal requirements. Don't just franchise for franchising's sake. Then you have to invest in marketing and promotion. Invest in marketing and promotion so that you can get more people to see your product and to patronize your product and services. So if you want more information about the yam business, you can go to my YouTube channel and on the YouTube search bar, type in Olubengade Yam Business or Yam. You will see other videos I've done on the yam business and you can go through them. If I provided value to you, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and also liking this video and also sharing the link of this video with your family and friends and on your social media network. If you have questions or comments, drop it in the comment section below. If you have yam to sell in large quantity, drop it in the comment section below and leave your phone number there and tell us the prices. If you want to buy yam in large quantity, drop information about that request in the comment section below. State that in the comment section below. Those who want to buy are watching this video, they will contact you. Those who want to sell are watching this video. That is one way to contact you. I am going to come your way again next time. Before then, look at this video that's popping up now. Please click on the video link and watch it. I've made more than 500 videos, and this one and the next one and all my videos are going to help you. So now let's go and watch this.